have a couple of aggressive growth stocks that seem kind of interesting. So Brian Bolan, our aggressive growth stock strategist, is going to tell us just why they're interesting and brings them here for your review. The first one is one that we've never talked about here before, CBOE Holdings, which is the parent company of the Chicago Board Options Exchange.
Exactly. And the idea here is that there's been a lot of trading lately. Over the last couple of months, we've seen a lot of fear in the market. You've seen markets go down and then come right back up and down and up. So over that, that expansive amount of trading, you're gonna have extra contracts being made at the CBOE. More trading volume that they do, the higher their revenue is going to be. Obviously, as they're working in the system here, as they continue with higher volumes, get more revenue, will translate to more earnings. We've also seen institutional activity here in CBOE, so there's been a few big fish biting up a lot of shares. I think the big reason here of why you're looking at CBOE as an aggressive growth play is that in April there was a record volume, in May there was record volume, and June was expected to be record volume, and they announced that just last night. So we do have 3 months in a row of record volume. Will that continue into July? And I think that's kind of the $60,000 question. July is typically a slower month.
Right.
But with all this volatility that we've been seeing, it's a good bet that there's something good going on there. It's a Zacks #1 rank because earnings estimates have been moving higher because analysts have been seeing the upward movement in volume. So they're going to increase their estimates. I have the chart here. If we take a look, just the 1 month chart, we can see the stock has really moved up in the last month or so. That is, of course, with that institutional buyer and with that good volume.
All right, the other stock is SodaStream, SODA ticker. Now, you hear, at least I've been hearing a lot about this company with their soda machines that you can use at home. Radio commercials, I've seen television commercials, so they've been marketing kind of aggressively.
Right, the marketing has really turned it up here in the last 6 months or so. I don't think you saw too much of it before, but now they're realizing that if you do a little bit more marketing, you're going to get more bang for your buck. I think there's been a couple ideas out of SodaStream. There was institutional activity in this stock as well. So a big buyer came in and ran the stock up. There was also talk of a deal. So there was rumors, some time back about Pepsi or Coke buying SodaStream. And, the idea is there that you can make your own soda, your Coke or Pepsi products at home,
right,
and you basically save the environment by the reusable bottles. I don't know if you're going to save that much unless you're a heavy, drinker of soda, which, maybe you are. Are you, Terry?
I am not. No.
Okay.
So soda's not streaming at my house.
Right.
But
so it's your bubbly personality is for a different reason.
It's all just given to me naturally at birth, right?
So the idea is that you're looking for that big deal. You didn't get it. You got a deal with Whirlpool instead. So you're going to see SodaStream in with all the Whirlpool appliances. So that wasn't exactly what the traders want.
Wait, you need to clarify that. SodaStream machines sold in conjunction with the Whirlpool products.
Whirlpool appliances.
Okay, you scared me there for a minute. I thought we were going to see like Whirlpools with
not
SodaStream
down.
in them.
It's not going to go all the way down down the Whirlpool.
All right, I'm glad I clarified that.
No, so it wasn't the deal the traders were looking for, but it was a deal. So we knew that there was truth behind some of those rumors. Now we're just hearing today, at least I just heard, that the coffee Starbucks is testing out fountain sodas in their stores.
Oh, interesting.
So that could be a positive or a negative at this point. We don't really know because I haven't seen it, and I need to do a little bit more research on that. But it just came out today that they're going to be testing that. If it ends up being a SodaStream product, that could be huge. If it is not, I don't know that it's going to be too much of a worry because at the end of the day, the SodaStream product is designed for an at-home use.
Home use, yeah.
Not really something at a store like that. From the chart here, you see the stock's been pretty volatile, but it is a #1 rank, so we still like it here.
Okay, so do you own either of these two?
I do not.
All right, check out other stock picks on our website, zacks.com. If you're not there already, you can go right to the homepage, and there is where they are, linkable from the homepage, if that's a word, stock picking strategies for your review as well. With Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.